pride of Rajputs, Rajasthan, the Indian state that's known for its culture, history of Rajputs, their lifestyle, big forts and palaces, Thar Desert, Aravalli Mountains, Rajasthani folk music, and not to forget Rajasthani food. This India's largest state shows India at its most colorful, iconic, and exotic best. So let's tell you about the top 10 cities of Rajasthan you must explore soon. When we are going to Rajasthan, why don't we greet you in Rajasthani way? Let's start with India's pink city, Jaipur, which is also considered the most Instagrammable city. 4-5 hours away from the city, people go to Jaipur very often. And why don't they? After all, there's so much to explore that you will get tired. But places won't fall any short. Starts with eating a hearty meal at Chowkidar and also explore 300 years old gorgeous Hawa Mahal, City Palace, Amar Fort, Nahargarh Fort, Albert Hall Museum, Bapu and Johari Bazaar, and many more such stunning places. Let's go towards another city of Rajasthan, Udaipur, which is also called the city of lakes. It's evident that its main attraction are the beautiful lakes. This picturesque location at the foothills of Aravalli Mountains is home to various palaces, forts, and some magnificent and popular temples. This city is also known for its warm hospitality. And when you are here, you must visit City Palace, Pichola Lake, Fateh Sagar Lake, Jaisamand Lake, Sahelion Ki Bari, the Royal Vintage Car Museum, and Jagdish Temple. Next one is the Golden City of India, Jaisalmer, which is the most loved city of tourists and travelers. The main highlight here is Thar Desert, where people go out for a desert safari and camel safari in the vast sand dunes of the desert. And as this city is called Golden City because the most of the city is built with golden colored sandstones. Jaisalmer is famous for its ancient architecture, forts, art and craft, local cuisine of Rajasthani's outfits and souvenirs. When you are here, you must visit Jaisalmer Fort, Patwan Ki Haveli, Badabag, Thar Heritage Museum, Sam Sand Dunes, and Gadisar Lake. Now let's talk about the second largest city of Rajasthan, Jodhpur, which is also called the Blue City. Here you will see most of the buildings painted in blue color. Filled with forts and temples, Jodhpur is a historic destination with plenty of appeal. And trust us, a trip to Rajasthan is incomplete if you haven't seen Jodhpur's largest and best maintained Mehrangarh Fort, which gives you the entire view of the Jodhpur city. And when you will see here some people singing and dancing folk songs in Rajasthani costumes, you will have more fun. And when you are in Jodhpur, you must also visit Umayyad Bhawan Palace, Jashwant Tada, Mandori Garden, Kalyana Lake. When we talk about Bikaner, apart from mesmerizing forts, the city is famously known for its food, especially sweets and snacks. It's literally a heaven for foodies with sweet tooth, and Bikaner Ghevar, Kasar Kulfi, Bikaner Bhujia or Raj Kachori. You can't live without eating. With this, desert safaris are also popular in Bikaner, and you can ride a camel into the desert to explore the local culture and landscape here. Some must visit places of Bikaner are Junagarh Fort, Lalgarh Palace, National Research Center of Camel, Karni Mata Rat Temple, and Bandar Sain Jain Temple. Next one is Chittorgarh. By hearing its name, the first thing that must come in your mind must be film Padmavat. In this film, the pride of Rajputs, Chittorgarh Fort, and its story are well portrayed, and especially this song which makes us feel like going to this fort. Chittorgarh is a very impressive and historic attraction of Rajasthan, which is a birthplace of many great warriors. And when you go here, you should definitely explore these places which you will never forget, like Rani Padmini Palace, Meera Temple, Kalika Mata Temple, and of course Chittor Fort. Let's talk about the holy city of Rajasthan, Pushkar. which is said to be the home of Brahma. So, you can go to the Pushkar at any time, but the best time is October-November. When Pushkar Camel fair hits the town, the atmosphere and hustle bustle at the time is worth seeing, and therefore it's the best opportunity to witness the old traditional India festival. Pushkar has many other temples, ghats, and many places which you shouldn't miss, like Brahma Temple, Savitri Mata Temple, Mahadev Temple, Man Mahal, Kishangarh, Pushkar Market, and not so far away from Pushkar, Ajmer's famous and holy Ajmer Sharif Dargah. Now let's talk about the small and rustic town of Rajasthan called Bundi, which is famous for stepwalls, palaces, forts, and water tanks. Its classic architecture and ancient art will leave you amazed. Like Jodhpur, in Bundi also, you will see all the buildings painted in the blue color. And when you go there, you should definitely see the extraordinary Bundi Palace and also the famous temples, which date back to 15th century. Some other top attractions of Bundi are Rani Ji Ki Baori, Moti Mahal, Jait Sagar Lake, Chitrashala, and also don't forget to set off a wildlife safari at Ramgarh Vishdhari Sanctuary. It's known for Rajasthani's only hill station, Mount Abu. Yes, it's in the desert state of Rajasthan, which is situated in Aravalli Mountains. After forts, palaces, temples, markets, or desert safari, if you feel like chilling at a cool and lush green place. And then Mountain Abu comes to the hill station after exceptional views of the surrounding area. And when you are here, you must go to Nakki Lake, where you can even rent an affordable paddle boat to get on the water and admire the view around with this. On this hill station, you will see many beautiful places too, like Sunset Point, Dilwara Jain Temple, Trail Track, Mount Abu Wildlife Sanctuary, and Guru Shikar. The last one, it's the important one, is Savai Madhopur, which is famous for its wildlife sanctuary and for a wide range of flora and fauna. It's perfect place for history buffs, wildlife enthusiasts, and natural lovers. When you are here, you must go to Ranthambore National Park, which is one of the best places in India to spot a tiger live in the wild. It's famous tourist spots which remains booked from October till June every year. Apart from this, you must go to Chowth Mata Temple, Ranthambore Fort, Surwal Lake, Samatkar Temple, and Kachida Valley.